Now let's graph more linear equations in general form, starting with number 5. Okay, so we have x minus 3y minus 9 equals 0, and what I'll do here is that I'll figure out the x and the y-intercept and plug them into the grid. So I'll start by just, actually I'll work over here, because I have more room. I'll get started by plugging 0 in for x, and solving for y, to find the y-intercept. So we'll get started by just adding 9 to both sides of the equation. So bring down the negative 3y. I don't need to bring down the 0 because it's just 0. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. Great. Now I can divide both sides by negative 3. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So that is the y-intercept. So I'm going to start over here. Go 3 units down. That's the y-intercept of negative 3. Okay. Now I want the x-intercept. So I'll plug 0 in for y. And if I plug 0 in for y, I'm going to have negative 3 times 0, which will cancel out. So x minus 9 equals 0. Now I can add 9 to both sides of the equation, and x is positive 9. Sorry. So if x is positive 9, we're going to start here at the origin and go 9 units to the right. There we go. Now I can connect the dots, and that's it. So we already have our linear equation here, x minus 3y minus 9 equals 0. That wasn't too bad, was it? Hope that you agree with me. Then let's graph number 6. For this equation in particular, I would prefer to rewrite it in slope-intercept form. Just because y doesn't have a coefficient, so that'll be pretty easy. So what I'll do is I'll subtract 5x and add 2 to both sides of the equation. I'll continue down here. It's supposed to be an arrow, by the way. So these cancel out, those cancel out, and we have y equals 0 minus 5x, which is negative 5x. 0 plus 2, just 2. Great. So remember that if I have y equals mx plus b, or a linear equation in slope-intercept form, m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. So that is the slope, and this is the y-intercept. With the y-intercept of 2, we start at the origin, and we go 2 units up. With the slope of negative 5, we go 1 unit to the right, and 5 units down, all the way through. There we go. Here we are. Great, so this, of course, is our 5x plus y minus 2 equals 0 linear equation, graphed right here, and that's it for now.